Hello.
Hello.
How are you guys? How are you feeling today? It's the second day in Kazakhstan, in Astana. The weather is not so cold, but morning we had some rain. Just 10 minutes ago we have a breakfast. So right now we are going to kindergarten. Yes, because I have some plans of my sellings. Yes, I'm. As you know that I'm working in a company. We sell innovative products for educational, like children gardens, schools, universities. So this is our main street. It's Baurjan Momushulu. As you know that Baurjan Momushulu also our national heroes. As you know that the war. This is Tavulsizlik Street. What does mean Tavulsizlik? Tavulsizlik independent.
Okay.
Yes, we took independent 30 years ago. Yes, you know that we are very young, young country.
Yes.
So this is the Tavulsizlik Street.
Okay.
Also main street, and this is the Baurjan Momushulu. Baurjan Momushulu, it's our national hero. When was the war in 1921? He from against
the Russian.
No, you know the war.
Ah, the war. Yes, sorry.
Against Hitler.
Yeah, Hitler. Yeah.
Yes, and Baurjan Momushulu used. Do you remember yesterday I show you sake.
Yeah, the traditional.
No, traditional. Baurjan Momushulu used in war. He used tactics.
Ah, yes.
Cause of he had very little soldiers.
Yeah.
And Panfilov, General Panfilov, Russian Panfilov said, "Hey, you had a little soldiers, and so that's we have to win this war."
Yeah.
And Baurjan Momushulu used tactics of Tamiris. Do you know Tamiris? Tamiris. Did you study history of world?
Yeah.
Tamiris, do you know?
Tamiris. No.
It's a woman. It's a hero. Tamiris.
No, I don't know. Because in France it's different. We studied the French history.
French history.
No.
But we studied history. Hello.
No. In France we don't.
It's a Tamiris.
In France we don't. We don't study this.
And she's voin. Warrior.
Warrior.
She's a warrior and very good warrior. Okay, 20.
English, yes.
I pay for myself. Okay. Yes, and I will pay for you. 90 tenge.
Okay.
Yeah. Just wait for 30 seconds.
Okay.
For pay.
You already paid?
Yeah, I paid for me and I want to pay for you, but
you have to wait.
Just wait for 30 seconds. Yes.
Оперативная информация по изменениям схем движения маршрутов и актуальные новости о работе общественного транспорта публикуются на официальной странице компании Visite.
It's your ticket, please.
Социальной сети Instagram.
With my name?
No, not with your name. With my name.
Yeah.
But I have 2 tickets, and if control say show me your ticket, I will show this in history. It's history of paying. It's your ticket.
Okay.
So that's Agorda. That's the office our president. It's a bridge from this side to left side. Okay. This is Agorda. I said you, Mr. President, work here.
Yes.
It's his office, and this is a office of government office. Yes, a lot of not all ministers sit. All ministers, health minister, education minister, law minister is work here. This place.
It's the longest building.
You see?
Yes, yes.
Half of like a half of circle.
Yeah, yeah.
Half of circle. Yes. So what else?
So, what do you think?
Okay, guys, as you see that we also use Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Look this, yes. Also Toyota, also Lexus, Porsche. Yes. Also we have Ferrari. Yes.
Yeah. What do you say to people who think you're riding horses?
No, we use horse, but in the village. I said that we have our national holidays, like
yes,
like 22 March. Also, Kazakh, Kyrgyz, Uzbeks have this holiday. Is a holiday, a very big holiday, and when we have this holiday, we make a party in the village by horse, like big toy. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not this what a big toy. Yes. But every day we used to. Cars, yes, not horse. We like horse, but we like eating horse.
And what do you say about people who think it's like in Borat, in the movie Borat?
I think it's not true about our Kazakhstan. Our Kazakhstan is very friendly country, and what else? We also use a lot of digital things.
Yes.
You know, I said about Caspian, for example. As you know that we have a very comfortable application Caspian, and Caspian don't have any analogs in the world. So. Our national library.
Okay.
National library, yes. As you see, the buildings like office cities, yes.
Yes, yes.
A lot of buildings.
Yeah.
A lot of big buildings. Because of this city of offices, just for work.
Yes. It's better in Almaty, right?
No, Almaty also better, but in Almaty you will have a lot of events.
Ah, okay.
Like the festival, jazz festival, movie festival.
Okay.
Astana, very beautiful city. If you will come in summer season, yes. A lot of tourists come in summer season because of weather is normal, yes. But right now we have rain. But what else?
But I don't see many tourists.
Many tourists because of its official cities, you know.
Astana, but Astana. In Almaty I will see it.
Yes, Almaty, a lot of things to visit. Astana, we also have a lot of things, but like it's firstly it's the capital of Kazakhstan.
Yes, yes.
And so, for example, if you will go to United Kingdom, Britain, or if you will go to, for example, if you will go to Turkey, Ankara, like a just office,
yes,
just apartments, and that. If you will go to Istanbul, it's a lot of mosques, a lot of historical and that. Or if you will go to Antalya,
yes.
Sea, beach, and of course a lot of tourists go there.
Yeah, it depends of activities in the city.
Yeah, I think that a lot of tourists come to Almaty.
Yeah.
In Almaty, Almaty have a lot of good mountains. Yes, you can use snowboards. No.
Yeah.
Okay.
In winter.
Not that in summer also.
In summer also?
Yeah, in summer also we have a Shimbulak. Shimbulak.
What is it?
The snow every season.
Okay.
Snow every season, and you use your snowboards.
Okay.
Abu Dhabi. Used in Europe, Korol, king. Yes.
Yes.
But in Central Asia used not Karol, used Han.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Han, okay?
Han.
Like a godfather.
Han, like
a godfather. And Han Shatr, it means yurta.
Yurta, yeah.
Yurta. And
when
means,
you sleep.
Hans yurts.
Okay.
It means.
Ah, that's the mall. That's the name of the mall?
Yes, Han Shatr.
Okay.
To come our country, please.
Yes.
You can come.
Si vous voulez venir aussi au Kazakhstan, franchement, il y a Arman. Arman, you will guest all the people who come in Kazakhstan.
If you want to come to Astana, first you have to say that, hello Arman, how are you?
Yeah.
I know Dries, and I want to come to Astana. I want to be a tourist in Astana.
And you are the boss here. You know everybody.
Not everybody. Potato.
They come in another city to sell in Astana.
Do you know what does mean hôte?
No.
Oh, okay. It's village products. No?
Yeah.
Cheese. Yeah? Chicken. Butter.
Yeah.
No? Okay. There's honey.
Okay.
There's honey. It's village products. From milk.
Okay.
From milk, yes.
2830.
And you pay by Kaspi.
Yes, and also by the Kaspi. I said that about Kaspi application. Okay. So I will write your number. I ask number of seller. Aga number. It is here. This is it. Okay. And I can show him a check that I'm paid. Toledo. Rahmet. Asполsn, it means приятно. Bon appetit.
Yes. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Take it. Hôte. Yes, hôte.
It's like milk.
Like milk, yes.
I like it, but there is acid a little bit.
A lot of salt?
Maybe yes. It's like camembert, you know?
Camembert.
Cheese.
Cheese.
En fait, c'est un peu comme du camembert.
I will check for me and I'll give it for you.
Thank you.